Made lunch for my girl. That's an egg wrap sandwich, cupcake and olives. And the snack for my boy is cheese sandwich, cupcake and olives as well. So guys, done school run about an hour ago, and I've been sitting there on Instagram and TikTok and just scrolling, just seeing so many posts on what's happening in Palestine at the moment, and just heartbreaking videos of children. I think when it's on, it just breaks me when it's a child being in a really sad situation. So yeah, and I'm planning to head down south as well. My brother's meeting me halfway, hopefully, and inshallah, so we'll be there for a couple of days. So I don't know if I'll be doing vlogging there or not. Still trying to get used to this vlog. It's not that easy. It is time consuming to do the editing, and I've got to do the whole editing as well. Whole editing, whole recording, and yeah, and that's what I've got to do. I've got to clean the kitchen and pack everyone's bags and pack any of the gifts that I've bought. I've just bought a couple, not a lot, but and just make sure I've got everything before the kids get home at 3 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock now. I hope I can do it. I wanted to have a nap as well, and I've got to make something to eat for on the way and for the kids when they come home from school as well, and if there's any laundry. So I better get moving. Let's put the dishwasher on first. Washed all the dishes, put the dishwasher on, and I decided, okay, no, let's clean the fridge out. Clean the fridge out and realised there's more things to wash. Enough that I could put a small dishwasher, but I'm almost there in the kitchen. I just need another half an hour, and I think I'm going to be okay in the kitchen. Let's get started. So what I'm doing is I have a bag on the table, and I am putting in things I need that I can take with me, like snacks and things, as I go along, so I don't forget, like drinks. I just remember drinks, because we're going to be opening our fast and we'll be in the middle of, I don't know. So I know I'm going to stop over and grab some coffee or something on the way. But yeah, let's see how that goes. So much plastic. Drives me crazy how much plastic we have. But it is what it is. I'm going to go and put this in the plastic recycling bin. And off we go. So the kitchen is sort of under control now. Look, it's looking pretty clean. That's where all the mess is. But at least my counter's clean as well. It's just those dishes. I'm waiting for them to dry so I can wash the next lot. And I'm just going to sweep the floor. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to get the RoboBlock. Why am I saying RoboBlock? That gets hard. So this gets hard. This bit, this one, you need me to kind of clean. And this bit. That's one of the not so great things about this dining table, but I think they need it for the... Ignoring this table, the rest of the kitchen is looking pretty neat, and the sink. I'm going to come back while this is going to bump itself. I'm going to go upstairs and do the clothes. It's 11:30. Kitchen diner clean except for the dishes. That's it, just that little bit, and the cooker. And I've got to make dinner. Okay, so not quite there, but anyhow, washing machine is on, doing a quick laundry. I have been actually really busy for the past hour and a half, and I'm going to quickly sit down and do this haul because I need to pack away a lot of the gifts and things I have here as you can see, it's all here. So I'm going to get recording for you guys, but that's going to be in a separate vlog. I've got to remember to look here. Right, okay, super duper. Sorting out my clothes, what I need to pack for Eid. I've not even tried on this dress. I hope it fits. This clay mask on very quickly. I also packed some of my makeup in here, and I had bought this mask quite a long time ago, and I think I'm going to use it at Mum's tomorrow though. So I'm going to use this. Let's see how it turns out. It does make it easier. Right, I'm going to stop the camera so that I can actually do this with both the hands and not waste so much water. Iron Brew, so I got him a pack of Iron Brew, loads of packs, and Scottish tablet as well. These are the things that you need to buy from Aldi. So I've just fried some spring rolls, going to fry some samosas and make some chicken burgers and garlic bread when I get back from school run. Hopefully I've got half an hour whilst the kids are actually getting changed. I can quickly fry these. I've pretty much washed the dishes. I've only got a few left. I can do those whilst these are frying as well. So almost set, and all the clothes and things are in the car. The kids just need to change. My eldest just needs to pack his bag and any bits I've forgotten. I mean, we're only going for 2 days, but because it's Eid, there's just more things, I feel. But anyhow, and by that time the wash should have finished, so that's got some sleeping clothes in as well. So guys, we are driving down south. I'm going to meet my brother halfway, and that will help me out with the driving. It's so beautiful. It was really sunny a moment ago, so I had to get my sunglasses out, but it's gone now, the sun. But yeah, it's so beautiful driving down this way. Well, anyway, in Scotland, really. Yes, I can. So guys, let's put the light on. Can I put the light on for a second? No, I maybe can't. Right, so the light's on now. So met my brother halfway, and that was brilliant because I don't think I could have survived driving all the way down at that time. So, but anyhow, nearly home, and going to be surprising my mum and dad, and I can't wait. And it's Eid tomorrow, and everyone is celebrating on the same day, which is brilliant. So cool. That's all the milk that they have. You have to send someone to go and get milk. But meanwhile, I'm going to use the milk that I have. I'll put sugar in as well.
Do you want yours in your account? Yeah, of course. Come on.
So here I am in front of Flying Tiger, my favourite shop. That's a nice shelf. These are interesting flower pot. It's made out of metal. Yeah, and it's for £5. Nice lunch boxes. Oh, this is nice. It's a glass jug. Musical instruments. So some yarn, fabric yarn. What is that? Tea light holder. They go with my theme.
They're also gonna have some of that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanu. Happy birthday to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and hopefully I'll be sharing more with you. And that was the end of our wonderful Eid.